Here we are slicing some chicken, and it is for lunch, guys. So this is cold. I've just gotten it from the supermarket, and it's cold, guys. It's the one that I'm going to do with the spinach that I showed you earlier. Guys, do you know how to slice chicken? With chicken, you go with the joints. You just follow the joints as you slice. You don't just slice anyhow. You got to know where the joint passes, and you cut like this. It's so soft. So guys, it's easy. This soft chicken doesn't have to be overcooked. So when we go to the kitchen, we are gonna cook it for very few minutes. So I'm cutting as per the joints. This is the arm. Is this called the drumstick? Yeah, I'm asking somebody who doesn't want to tell me, but I think it's the one that is called the drumstick. And now, you don't have to struggle to slice the chicken. You just follow the joints like that. And I don't know how I'm going to cook this chicken. I don't know if I'll put it in the oven or dry fry it. I don't know how to go about it, but I'll see as I'm through with slicing. There's a part that people don't know they should remove, and I want to show you today, guys. You see this part here? This part is supposed to be removed. Remove this part. Do not serve people food and then they get to see this protruding thing behind here. It's good you remove it, and make sure you cut it deep so you remove the fat that is normally there. And then you can slice this part twice like that. Don't mince it, but make sure that the parts are reasonable. So, hey, is my knife sharp? It's not cutting properly, so that's the way to go about it. Some of the chicken parts can even be torn by hand, because this is the broiler. It's soft, very soft, guys, and we are doing well with the slicing. We are left with just a piece or two to cut. So this is how we go about it. So you see, I think I'll deep fry this, and then I do what? I don't have the breadcrumbs. I should have bought. So I would have deep fried them with the breadcrumbs. So my pieces are done. Look at this. This is one piece for one person. You come to this. Don't give people bones, and having harvested all the good meat. So make sure that every piece of meat that you slice has got some muscle in it. So this is the whole chicken. I'm already done with the slicing, but there's something I've not done. Yes, this part here has to be cut into two. That one, like that, you see. This would not have been for one person. So you cut it like that, and yes, I'm done with the slicing, guys, and that is my, I think they should be left like this. If I removed this part, it will be too small. No, let me remove it. I remove it like that, and then there's the other one on the other side, which I also have to remove. So guys, do you wash your chicken? After this, I'm gonna wash all these pieces and put them on a low flame to cook, season them, and for very few minutes. You don't have to overcook chicken. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Let me go and cook this chicken, and I'll show you the end product, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.